Today we're unboxing the Ninja Swirl by Creamy. This is going to be a healthier way to make some desserts like protein ice cream, sorbets, acai bowls, things like that. All right, let's unbox it. Okay, let's see what we have inside. This is the drip tray that comes with the machine. And these are the instructions with some recipes on how to make some different varieties of ice cream. So it comes in this box. It's covered with this plastic. Once you remove the plastic, you'll see this heavy machine. It's definitely pretty weighty. And then here's your machine. Okay, let's take this plastic off and get into it. And this is what it looks like. This piece is where you will insert your ice cream pint into it. That allows you to mix up the ice cream. You can make it either firm to be like an ice cream, or you can actually make it a little bit softer so that you can turn it into a soft serve. This piece is the adapter. So you're going to put the pint inside of this adapter, and that will allow you to make the variation of ice cream, whether you want it firm or if you want it more soft. And you'll see there's different options later. This machine comes with 2 pints, as you'll see here in this box. So this is what it looks like. There's 2 of these, each a pint each. This lid comes off to store it. You'll take that off when you want to change the lid to either mix it or to turn it into soft serve. This little piece comes out. That's where the soft serve will be coming through. On the bottom, if you flip it sideways, you'll see where you can open and close it to allow for the soft serve to expel or express out of there. So right here on the bottom, that's where you can open it and close it. So you want to make sure that it's closed before you add any liquid or any contents into it, because it'll easily seep out. So that feature is just opened when you want to express the soft serve. This piece here is the piece that you're going to put on top when you're going to be using the soft serve side, which is on the left. I'll show you that later. You'll take the lid off of the pint, replace it with that piece there, and then you'll open the base of it so that you can express the soft serve. And obviously before that, as I had mentioned to you, that adapter piece, you're going to stick the pint inside of that to soften it enough so that it can be expressed on the left side through the soft serve. Let me move this stuff out the way and I'll show you what I mean. So this here, that's the lid that you're going to put on top of the pint so that you can put it inside the left side, which is the soft serve side. So you'll replace the gray lid with this white lid, tighten it. That left side, which is the soft serve side, you're going to stick that in there until you hear and turn it till you hear it click. You'll want to make sure that white piece says open. So turn that to make sure it says open. And then you'll just line it up so that you can express the soft serve ice cream. And to take it out, just press that button and pull it out. It's as easy as that. Then to store it, you just snap that piece on top and you can store it. This lever you will press so that you can pull the adapter in and out of the machine. So you take the top off, stick it inside the adapter, like this. Put the lid back on the adapter and you'll slide it right in there. There's like a track for you to slide it on, and then you just turn it to the right and it snaps right into place. To unlock it, press this button and it'll unloose, and then you could just pull it back out. It's that easy. So this is the pint, and that's the adapter. It comes with two, and you can always order more separately. So again, the left side is the soft serve where the ice cream comes out. If you want a little softer texture, and then you'll pull this lever to dispense the ice cream. The faster you pull it, the faster it goes. So you want to be careful. It takes about 15 seconds before it actually starts to come out. If you enjoyed this recipe, check out my Cooking with Journey to 50 Plus playlist for more healthy ideas. Don't forget to comment below and hit subscribe if you'd like to see more recipes on the channel.